Hi children, what happens if 2 is keep on added to itself? Here 2 is added one time, here 2 is added two times to itself, here 2 is added three times, here 2 is added four times and so on. Now how can we write these numbers? If 2 is added only one time, we can write this number as 2 multiplied with 1 because only one time it is repeating. Now 2 is added to 2 times by itself, that is 2 is multiplied by 2 because 2 times 2 is added. Now 2 is added 3 times, that is 2 is multiplied with 3. Next one is 2 is added 4 times by itself. So 2 is multiplied with 4. Next one is 2 is multiplied with 5. Next one is last one is 2 is multiplied with 6. So we can use this multiplication sign for this repeated addition. You know that always repeated addition is the multiplication. So 2 is multiplied with 1, 2 is multiplied with 2, 2 is multiplied with 3, 2 is multiplied with 4 and so on. So if 2 is added to n times itself, that is we can denote that number by 2 into n, that is 2 is multiplied with n. That means we can use the multiplication sign. Okay, so the repeated addition is the multiplication. Now what happens if 2 is keep on multiplied by itself? 2 is multiplied one time and 2 is multiplied by 2 times, 2 is multiplied by 3 times by itself, 2 is multiplied by 4 times by itself, 2 is multiplied by 5 times and so on. So how can we write this number? Here 2 is repeating only one time. So we can write in this manner. I'll write 2 is multiplied only one time. So we can write in this manner. Next one, 2 is multiplied by 2 times by itself. That is, we can write in this manner. Then next one, 2 is multiplied by 3 times. So this way. Now next one we can write in this manner. Then 2 is multiplied by itself how many times? 5 times. So this way. Now next one we can write as this way. So if here keep on multiplied by itself, here multiplication sign given. So if the repeated addition is there, we are using the multiplication sign. If we are given repeated multiplication, that is 2 is keep on multiplied by itself. So we can write in this manner. How can we read this number? This one we can read it by 2 raised to the power 1 or 2 to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 or 2 to the power 1. This one 2 raised to the power 2 or 2 to the power 2. How can we read this number? 2 raised to the power 3 or 2 to the power 3. This way we can write this number in this manner. So we can say that these numbers are in exponential form. These numbers are known as exponential numbers. Exponential numbers. Here 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 6. So these numbers are exponential numbers and after that, what is the base and what is the exponent? In 2 raised to the power 1, 2. Actually, 2 is repeating. 2 is keep on repeating by itself. Am I right? 2 raised to the power 2. 2 is repeating. Here 2 is repeating one time. 2 is multiplied with 1. Only one time. Here 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 is repeated. That is 2 is multiplied by itself 2 times. Here 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So base is 2 and the exponent is 1. 2 is multiplied by itself. So 2 is the base. How many times is multiplied? One time. So exponent is 1. Here 2 raised to the power 2. Which number is multiplied? 2. So base is 2, base 2, and what is the exponent? 2 is repeating 2 times. So exponent is, so the exponent is 2. This way we can say that these are the bases and these are the exponents. Here the bases are 2. Only one number everywhere, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So here the base is 2 and the exponents are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these numbers are known as exponential numbers.